Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Google Docs cannot use voice typing, or you cannot use microphone on Google Docs. So make sure your microphone is plugged into your PC, or make sure your laptop have a microphone built in. Or if your microphone built in is broken, you can try to plug in external microphone on your laptop and try to set it up on control panel. Here, try to test your microphone on a speech recognition on control panel. You can click it and you can try to start speech recognition or set up your microphone first. Set up your computer to work properly with speech recognition. So you can start to set up in these two options. You can configure your microphone here. After that, you can open Google Docs. Here, if you use Google Docs on your browser, there is no menu, there's no settings how you can turn on your microphone. So just use menu instead, and you can see this is a voice typing. You can try to type voice typing here, and you can click start voice typing. You can allow this time, and this is the microphone icon. You can try to click it to record your voice. As you can see, now you can try to use the microphone on Google Docs. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.